From her birth in 1926, Elizabeth Alexandra Mary Windsor, later known as Queen Elizabeth II, was seemingly destined for a life of prominence, though the eventual path she took was rather unexpected. Born to the Duke and Duchess of York, Elizabeth's early years were a blend of simplicity and royal duties. Her life took a dramatic turn in 1936 when her uncle, King Edward VIII, abdicated, thrusting her father onto the throne as King George VI. The narrative of Queen Elizabeth I's life is a compelling tapestry of history, commitment, and an unwavering sense of duty. This story unfolds with Elizabeth's steadfast navigation through eras marked by immense global changes. World War II, the dissolution of the British Empire, and the technological revolution, to name a few, each played a part in shaping her reign and the kind of monarch she became. Her ascension to the throne in 1952 marked the beginning of one of the longest reigns in British history. She succeeded her father at the tender age of 25, taking on responsibilities that would shape not only her life but also the future of the monarchy. With her coronation, she vowed to dedicate her life to the service of her people and uphold the values of the crown. Amongst her many achievements, Queen Elizabeth II is renowned for her ability to adapt to changing times. Her reign saw the transformation of the Commonwealth into a symbol of unity among diverse nations, linked not by command, but by sincere affinity. The Queen's emphasis on tradition did not hinder her openness to change. In her personal life, Queen Elizabeth II shared a profound partnership with Prince Philip, the Duke of Edinburgh, whom she married in 1947. Their union was a testament to mutual respect and shared purpose, lasting over 7 decades. The couple's resilience and commitment mirrored the Queen's own approach to her role and responsibilities. The later years of her reign witnessed considerable challenges, from family scandals to pressures demanding the monarchy's modernization. Yet, Queen Elizabeth II consistently reassured her subjects through her stability and reassuring presence during times of upheaval and change. Her messages broadcasted during times of national distress have often been a source of comfort and unity. Queen Elizabeth I's legacy is not merely one of longevity but of enduring influence and immense dedication. From celebrating significant personal landmarks, such as her silver, golden, and diamond jubilees, to her consistent presence at charitable events. She has become a figure etched in the fabric of not only British history but in the hearts of millions around the world. As the head of state transitioning into her later years, she continued to demonstrate dedication to her country and her people's well-being. Through engagement, diplomacy, and symbolic gestures, her ability to bridge past traditions with modern aspirations has set a standard of leadership that transcends generations. Queen Elizabeth I's story is ultimately one of resilience, compassion, and steadfast humility, making her reign memorable and profoundly impactful. Her life, defined by the legacy of leadership, stands as a testament to dedication and an unwavering commitment to the principles she vowed to uphold.